In Turkey, the worst winter came when snowfalls and blizzards began. Snowfalls have created problems for the population in most of the country's 81 provinces. Traffic disruption is among the major woes of the public. The main road connecting Gaziantep to Adana province was blocked when a truck got out of control due to heavy snow. Some 5,000 people trapped in their cars in motionless traffic. Local authorities delivered food packages to the people trapped in the traffic. Gaziantep, for the first time in the 54 years, witnessed 1-meter thick snow. Two highways in the capital Ankara and Istanbul were also closed. Many roads to villages have also been blocked by snow across the country. Due to the heavy precipitation, face-to-face education was postponed in various districts of 52 provinces. The highways were reopened after massive efforts to shovel in the ice and snow. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, see you soon.
Thanks for watching.